Hello, welcome to Brain Hive Academy, your one-stop for innovative workspace. On today's section, we're going to do with Jamb past questions and answers. So from my board, we have example for what values of x would 1 over 3x squared minus 8x minus 3 be undefined. What do we mean by undefined? Undefined is when you have 0. The total equation gives you 0. That is when it will refer as what? Undefined. And if you look at this equation, this one, there is no value of x on it. So automatically the equation is what? Is 1. So 1 is defined. So let's see the denominator. Now, from the denominator, take your solution. The question is 1 over 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. So if you look at this, like I said, this is 1. 1 is what? Defined. But this one, we don't know if it is undefined. But merely looking at it, it has an x. So let's work on this denominator. So factorize the denominator. That is 3x square minus 8x minus 3. So factorize this. If you have a times c, try by error. A times c, this is a, this is b, this is c. That is 3x square times minus 3. So if you times it, what will give us? 3 times 3 is 9. So you have 9 times, okay, that is minus, that is minus 9 times x square will give you x square. So we are going to find two numbers whose product will give us minus 9x square and their sum will give us minus 8x. So what is that? If you have, so you find two numbers whose product is minus 9x square and their sum is minus 8x. So we come back, the product or the factor of minus 9x square and sum of minus 8x. So the factor here will give us x and minus 9x, while the sum will give us x minus 9x. So replace 8 minus 8x as x minus 9x into above equation. Which equation? This equation here. Replace it, which is you have 3x square minus, okay, that is plus x minus 9x minus 3. So you do what? You group. After grouping, you look for the common factor. What do you mean by common factor? Common factor is what they have in common. If you look at this bracket, the common here is 3x because we have x here. So the common here is 3. Okay, here we have x, here we have x. Here we have 3, here we don't have 3. So the common here is x. So if factor out x, that is x. 3x squared divided by x will give us 3x plus x divided by x will give us 1. So minus, what is the common here? The common here is 3 because we have 3 here. So therefore, we have 9x divided by 3 will give us 3 x. Minus times minus is plus. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we have 1. So if you look at this, this is what? This is the factors, and this is the cofactors. So the cofactors must be the same. That's only when you know that what you're solving is correct. It must be what? The same. So you take one from this, the factor, which is 3x plus 1, and take the factor side, that is x minus 3, to equate this to be 0. But remember, the law states that this and this cannot be equal to 0. It's either a dot b cannot be equal to what? 0. Either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So what do we do? That means 3x plus 1 will be equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is your left hand side. You collect like this, because 3x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 3. This is minus 1. So what do we do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x. That is your left hand side. Divide both sides by 3 for your left hand side. So if you do that, we now have 3x over 1, sorry, 3x over 3 will be equal to minus 1 over 3, or x is equal to what? 3. So if we do that, this can cancel this. Therefore, let me manage here. We have what? X will be equal to minus 1 over 3, and we have, or x is equal to 3. Therefore, we have x as 1 minus 1 over 3, comma, and 3. So if you look at this equation, which one is best known to the answer? Let's see. We have this, no, b minus 3. Okay, that is correct. No, c minus 1 over 3, comma, and 3. So which one? That is c. So c is what is correct to that. So it's very simple. That is what we call undefined fraction in simplification of what? Fraction. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.